rain sweeping up.
Good evening. Well, plenty of shower cloud across many parts of the British Isles, particularly in the west. Fronts have come in from the Atlantic. Now that front last night gave a lot of rain across eastern England, and there's a thick cloud from that across the North Sea, extending through France and down towards Spain. You can also see the showers here across the Atlantic moving into Ireland and western parts of the British Isles. There we are, there's those showers on the radar. Heavy ones particularly across South Wales and southwestern parts of England. I think that's where they're going to stay throughout tonight. So it's South Wales, southwest England and across some western parts of Scotland where the showers are going to be most frequent, perhaps one or two across Northern Ireland as well. But most eastern areas will be dry, and in the southeastern area I think the clear sky is enough to produce some mist patches, because there I think the winds are going to be quite light, although still mostly in from the south or southwest. Still some fairly strong winds though, particularly across northwestern Scotland. Temperatures tonight about 5 or 6 degrees in most places. The lowest temperatures may be across Northern Ireland, about 2 or 3 in some sheltered places there. For Wednesday we're going to find the isobars well spaced apart, so quite light winds, but another one of these fronts giving a lot of showers once again in the northwest and still some down across West Wales and southwestern parts of England during the morning. Further east, starting off with that grey low cloud across the East Midlands and towards East Anglia, but that'll clear with some sun coming through in the afternoon. Now most of the showers will stay across western areas as it turns a little bit colder. Some of those across the Scottish mountains may be of sleet and snow, but we may find one or two also developing across the eastern part of northern England along those southern coasts there. Temperatures tomorrow still about 10 or 11 in the south, but just a shade down in the north, about 8 degrees. Now by Wednesday night it will turn much colder in northern Scotland, probably even a touch of frost, but much milder further south. Now there the winds are going to be light across northern Scotland, but the first signs of some stronger winds coming in from the southwest, because that's another weather system, and on Thursday the front pushing its way northwards, pushing the rain across most parts. So Thursday morning a lot of heavy rain and strong winds into Wales and the southwest, gale force southeasterly winds in some places. That though pushing northwards, probably finally reaching northeastern Scotland by the end of the day and into these southwestern areas. On Friday the low still there, so still very unsettled. Lots of showers around, some of them are turning out to be heavy with hail and thunder, and still some more persistent rain in those northeastern areas.